Today we're going to be trying out some super clean to see if we can clean this dirty engine in my old golf cart, and that's coming up next here on Jesse B Gear. Welcome back everybody, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, hit that notification bell, leave a comment down below if you like videos like this. First off, I like to say two things. Sorry if there's a little bit of wind noise. This is the last warm day we have here in November of 2025 here in Northwest Ohio. And I got to get this done before I got to shut all the water off for winter to hit. So what we're going to do is thank Super Clean for sending this out to the channel for us to try out. And I figured this would be a good test for it. So what we're going to do is we're going to bring you over here, show you the motor, and then I'm going to spray it down with this, let it sit for a little bit, hose it off, and see how good it works. So let's get started. All right, well, what we got here is my 05 Easy Go. This thing is old, it's beat up, but it runs good most of the time. And I want to clean it up here. As you can see, it is pretty dirty down in here and stuff. I've already got the negative disconnected on the battery here, and what we're going to do is just take some of the Super Clean here and we're going to start spraying it down. You can see how it foams up. Try to get everything covered in here. I am going to be doing some work on this. If you guys follow the channel, you know I've got valve seals in this that are leaking, and I want to get this cleaned up so I don't have to worry about all this dirt when I try to clean that. So I'm going to come over here to the other side, get this all cleaned up over here, because I'm going to have to take the cover off over here and get this all sprayed down. Alright, I got some spots here that I can't get with the aerosol can, so I got the pump here. I'm going to spray this down where I can get this in and get a lot of this cleaned up here. Alright, now I'm going to bring you guys in a little bit closer. You can see how a lot of that white is already turning to dirt. Get you some different kind of views here. This is this side of the engine, and you can see that is just turning to brown, eating up that dirt and everything. Let's move to the other side of the engine. Now we are on this side of the engine, and you can see how that white has just completely turned brown, getting all that dirt out of there. I'm going to let this sit for a little bit, and then we're going to hose it off and see what it looks like. Now you can see how all that white has basically turned brown and muck on here. So what I'm going to do is I got my hose here, and we're going to start hosing it off. And it looks like a lot of that is melting right off. Very nice. I only let this sit for about 10 minutes. Basically, I saw how black it or brown it was, and I was like, yep, let's start working on this and see how it works here. Alright, now what I'm going to do is take you guys off of here, and you saw how everything was brown and basically full of mud. If I can get you off my stand here. Now we can go down and look at that. Look how much cleaner that is. That's going to be so much nicer to work on. So I'm going to spray off the other side, and maybe we'll do a walk around when I get done with that. Alright, now we can come in. Look at how much cleaner this is. This is going to be a lot nicer to work on than getting dirt and mud all over myself. Give me a second here, and I'll work my way around to the other side. Now we're here on the other side. Looking very good. Battery's looking all nice and clean. Now what I'll do is I'll let this air dry, put it all back together, and put it up until I gotta work on it. Seems very nice. So what's my final thoughts here of the Super Clean? Did a great job on that. This is the second time they sent this out to the channel for us to try out. The first time is when I mainly did RC cars, and I'll leave a card up above for you guys to check that video out, where I cleaned one of my old RC cars with this stuff. This stuff works pretty good. I've never had an issue with it. But now what I want to do is I'd like to thank Super Clean for sending this out. But I want you guys to be looking around Black Friday-ish. I'm going to be doing a giveaway to my subscribers, and Super Clean is going to send this out to one lucky winner. So I'm going to leave a link down below to Amazon. If you guys want to pick some of this up, you can order it off of there. It is an affiliate link that does help out the channel. So don't forget to check the other links out down there that do help out the channel also. Some got discount codes to save you guys money. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Hit that notification bell. Leave a comment down below. We are One Nation Under God, and I'll see you all on the next one.